Hola. Hey Mr. Nkomonde. Yeah, but man ngicela ukuthi manje ngikhulume nawe yabo concerning lama video lawa owayenzile. I-video one live yabo. Yeah, and I think I'm the rightful person ukuthi ngingaphendula because ukhulume ngama ex-convict and I'm one of them, and wakhuluma ngama podcast ayi-2 and ngibuya khona lapho yabo. So yonke into ekhulumile but mina most nje 90% angikuphikisi yabo. Yeah, but inkinga enginayo mina kula ufika ugeneralize khona yabo. Unga generalize but kula ufika umoshe yonke into khona yabo. Kula ngifika ngiba nenkinga ma ugeneralize kusho ukuthi uthi lama ex-convict abuya ku-Scheme GP uyabona, lama ex-convict abuya ku-Agenda Network uyabona. And enye into futhi ngibonile ukuthi wena bhuti wami unenkinga ngayo yabo ukuthi sonke ema-podcastini even without lawa ayi-2 maningi ama-podcast akhuluma lento ngeyitori zasejele yabo. Always nje sifaka ama-prison warder, and rightfully so but ukuthi sifaka ama-prison wardens because siphila nabo masida yabo, siphila nabo and asigeneralize yabo. As for mina in particular ungahamba wonke ama-podcast wami bhuti wami kudala ngihamba probably mina ngidlula abaningi yabo, angaze ngageneralize. And mangabe ngiyagesa bhuti yabo ungathola ukuthi mina ngaboshwa wena ungakabi prison order, but ke even nalapho bekunama-prison wardens right. Siyazi kunabo baba nabo mama mfowethu abaqondile and siyayisho leyo nto. So ngiyaqabanga ukuthi maybe wena bhuti wami uvele waba nenkinga nje ukuthi uyi-prison warden and mhlawumbe uhlangana nama-questions all the time and lento wayithatha ngesifuba bhuti wami. Ungayithathi ngesifuba, yehlisa umoya mngani wami yabo. Ma ungalalela lapha yana sikhulume omunye nomunye ukhuluma isitori sakhe. There is no way bhuti wami la uthola ukuthi siyaglorify khona unless awusithole kahle nabanye abantu abasithole kahle uyabona. Even noma ungalalela kuma-podcast abantu baye basho ukuthi no, it is not about glamorizing or glorifying a crime. And thina sila ukutshela iyitori zethu, asikhulume ezabanye abantu, of which ngibone ngathi wena kunala unganama-fact khona bhuti wami because awulali nama-prisoners yabo. Ngenhlonipho enkulu awulali nabo lezo zokuthi bayabhejwa abomahosha ini bhuti wami uziqoqelwe maybe or uke wabona umuntu bayenza i-sex naye straight kubuye yenze something ke. Yes, lezo iyitori zakho ngasitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngingabona so uyabona angeke sikuphikise isitori sakho plus usebenza lapho ezushilo yabo. But ngibonile ngiyaqolisa lapho kuleyo point yokuthi hey ngibone ngathi unenkinga wonke umuntu okhuluma ngama-prison wardens yabona. And asikhuluma amanga bhuti, hayi ukuthi sikhuluma amanga yabona, hayi ukuthi sikhuluma amanga. And leyo ukuthi wena noma umuntu angako-atheka ini akuthusele no. Alikho neli-one ex-convict according to my knowledge bhuti wami yabo ebabuya especially ku-Scheme GP because now igama sekuyi-Scheme GP manje. Ungabheka nalama video akhulunywayo abantu sebayisontile indaba yakho bhuti. La ngibhilive khona ukuthi ngokumamele mina ipoint yakho wabona, ngokumamela ipoint yakho bokhuluma iside olaziyo, that's all. But the fact yokuthi wena uthi Agenda Network awubizi igama lomnikazi moya ku-Scheme awuthi against the wall yabona, ubiza i-Scheme GP yabona. Beka ama-content enziwayo manje sekuthiwa iphoyisa leli likhulume iqiniso le-expose Scheme GP and his friends. Bhuti wami ma ungabheka from episode 1 bhuti wami dala ngwabukela ama-podcast and nami ngilapho uyazi yabona. Ungafani nalaba bhuti wami abamamela ama-podcast ku-TikTok kuphela, ama-showing shortly, amanqamuqampu lawa ashoyo ukuthi full story on YouTube bese bangasayi ku-YouTube yabona because ubuningi babantu yazi mfethu impilo enzima abanamadatha mfowethu yabo. So isitori sakho wena sesijikiwe kuba ngathi mhlambe wena una something manje ngo-Scheme GP, una something abantu baku-Scheme GP. No one will attack you, bhuti wami. Selaphayana usibona sinje, bhuti wami. We are trying to be to be our best, to tell our stories sibhodle, siphole nathi siyasidla siyasola mfowethu. Siyasola mfowethu. Yabo, hayi ukuthi besinyatha namanje bhuti wami ungizwe kahle angokudelele mina as long nje sirespectana njengabantu njengamadoda and then siba nepeace bhuti wami. Hayi nami I'm game mfowethu. Yabo, hayi ukuthi ngiphendula kanje kabi, just nje bengizama ukuraise ama point. Yabona ukuthi le ndaba seyiswinka kabi manje sokuthiwa kuba ngathi uzo attackwa. No one will attack you bhuti wami, ungasabi lapho. Yabona, ungasabi lapho hayi bayasithusela dala sithuselwa mfethu nathi. Uyabona nami ngi-against inombolo yasejele. Uma ungamamela amavidiyo ami ngabe uyangazi mfethu, ungabona mfethu ngiyafonelwa bra wami. Hey apha wena mawungayeki lento yakho wena uzofa ini hayi abantu sihlala sithuselwa. Ngicela ukuthi leyo mntaka baba ungayithathi serious. Just nje abantu bazama ukuswinta into. Bheka njengoba ngisho ngithi manje sebasontele indaba yakho. Yabona sekungo-Scheme GP and his friends ba exposed ngani mfowethu ngani. Yabona and abantu abayisontele bhuti wami bheka la ku social media udila nabantu aba different. Kunabantu ababhitha mfethu, kunabantu abazidlela umono ukuthi thina siyabhodla. Phela ukhumbule ukuthi ama millions aba ex-convict athulile mfethu, aziphilela impilo yabo kamnandi mfethu. Kuna bazikhansele ngendlela yabo. Yabona, it doesn't mean manje sonke sidinga ama-shrink to go to that podcast to tell my stories. Yabona, yi-shrink yethu le siyenzayo bhuti wami, if bonga understand. Yabona, so abanye intwana zabo, abantwana babo mfethu bayasithola, they listen, they know their language, we talk the same language because we can go down to their level mentally because besilapho mfethu siyazi into esimoshile. Uyangithola, so sizama ukuthi siyehlele kule level yalabantwana sikhulume nabo grand. I hope you understand bhuti wami, mina nginama hard feelings now. Yabona, but lelo ma point nje manje wenzeni uScheme bafowethu and his friends. Which friends? Baningi abantu abayelapha. Over 100 episode mfowethu, over 100 episode. Yabona, baningi abantu abayelapha and I hope nawe bongasho kanjalo bhuti wami. Yabona, kule life manje. Yabona, ilife ngiyimamela bhuti wami and I could see ukuthi uTrinity Msibi ukhuluma ngayo ugqizelela lento yokuthi uthi 100% uvumelana nawe. Yabona, and nawe wabona ukuthi uTrinity ungikhuluma ngabo, is one of them. Yabona, and now ngabona ukuthi uyashintsha ebusweni uba serious uyaconcentrate kuye and then naye usakhuluma lento yokuthi ubani ongaku-attack ama-threat. Hayi Trinity man, no bafethu man, ubani ozoku-attack for what? Siyakhuluma la kuma-social media silungisa ama-issues njengoba nawe Nkomonde mfowethu ushilo mfethu ukuthi u-attack ama-social issues wethu abomzansi. Nangu Trinity Msibi. Yabona, it's like kimi uTrinity umuntu othatha umese aye tavern athi uyosiprotecta. For what? We understand? Makayenza leyo nto. To me yena bekazifunela nje umsebenzi ngendlela zakhe, ngisho sikaphana nangamanamba ngithi I'm not opposing that. Alright. Uyaphanda, uyaphusha mfethu, wenza positivity, but not in that way, if you may understand me. Not in that way. But don't worry my brother, I know Trinity. I've been supporting Trinity. I love him. He's my brother. Maybe you know through the videos. I've been supporting him all the way. We are now. But I did not like when I tell paraffin kind of a thing. Yabona, uyazi Trinity mfowethu ukuthi silapha naye mawungambuza mhlambe yena oruzama ukuzikhipha ukuthi yena no aka-glorify only himself. No Trinity, it doesn't work like that. All of us esiyalapha mfowethu. Yabona, as naye uScheme i-ex-convict. You understand? Usho every day ukuthi bafethu people must tell their stories and must tell their stories and siqoqozele abantwana esisibona mfethu sihamba igolo thina siyawenza umsebenzi bra wami. Yabona, so ungageneralize mngani wami. Na next time kwezinye idory. Yabo, number 1 educational speaker in the whole world. I love you my